everyone,
My name is Janvi
and my name is Tanvi.
and welcome to our channel Food Travel and Recipes. Today we are going to show you an easy recipe for dal khichdi. This is very easy and simple recipe. If you don't have any option for vegetables at your home, you can anytime cook this. You can cook this for lunch or dinner as per your wish. So let's have a look at the recipe. We'll take 1.5 cup of rice. Rice here used is Dawat Basmati Kani. Then we'll take half cup of mixed dal. Dals here used are tur dal, moong dal and masoor dal. Wash both of them 2 to 3 times with clean water. And after washing, add water. Add more water than usual. After adding the water, add salt. 1 teaspoon of salt in dal and 1 teaspoon of salt in rice. Turmeric powder is added to dal and a few drops of oil in both the vessels. Then place them in a pressure cooker and cook them with one vessel on high flame and one vessel on low flame. After the rice and dal are cooked, let the pressure in the cooker release. Till that we'll heat a cooking pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat. After heating, add mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow these to crackle. After crackling, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, following with some hing. After a few seconds, add 1 medium-sized onion. This is finely chopped. Give this a nice mix for 2 to 3 minutes. And add curry leaves, 15 to 16 curry leaves, and 2 medium-sized green chillies, chopped. Give this a mix too and cook this onion till they are soft and translucent. After the onions are cooked, add tomatoes, 1 medium-sized tomato. Let this also cook till they are soft. After the softening of tomatoes, add salt. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Adjust it as per your taste. Then add 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Remember, chillies are also present. Then 1 teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a nice mix. Our masala is cooked, and to this masala we are going to add the prepared dal. Mix the dal well with the masalas. And then add some water. Mix it once and let it allow to boil. After boiling of the dal, add the cooked rice. Add the rice and mix, then again add some rice and then again mix. After adding all the rice to the dal, again mix it nicely and let it cook for 2 minutes till we prepare the tadka. For tadka, we'll heat a pan or a tadka pan. To that we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat and add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Let the garlic change its color to brown. Until the garlic is brown, we'll add coriander leaves to our khichdi. Our onions are brown, and then we'll add 4 dried red chillies. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and our tempering is ready. Now it's time to plate our khichdi, and we'll take a bowl, add our khichdi to it. After adding the khichdi, add the tadka we have prepared, and our delicious khichdi is ready.
Our delicious khichdi is ready. You can serve this with pickle, papad and ghee. This will taste awesome. And this khichdi is very nutritious because there are many types of dals present in this khichdi, and you know that pulses are very healthy and they contain a lot of nutrients. So please do try it and let us know in the comments how it was made. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to share and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Bye.